Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Women Gupshup. We all need friends who are real, but sometimes what happens that some people are fake. People are not genuine and we are not able to identify. So what are the traits which these people have? So let's find out. First is humble bragging. People who are not real and people who are not uh, concerned about you, about their achievements, and and they will always tell that how successful they are, how beautiful they are, and they'll try to prove themselves again and again in front of you, and they'll not listen to you what you want to say and what you feel about it. This is the first thing. Second thing is of ghosting. What will happen that they will talk to you on a day to day level, and then suddenly what happens that they'll stop replying to your messages, and they'll stop taking your call suddenly, and you will feel that okay, what has happened, and you will feel guilty that okay, I might have done something, what has happened. So we have to be very very cautious with these people, that because these things are very very damaging for our mental peace. Third is they will always talk in such a way that "Oh, yeah, I'm not all right, I'm not feeling well, please come and talk to me." And once they feel better, after that they will not bother about you, what you are feeling, and when you need them, at that time they will not uh, reciprocate those gestures. Then one important factor is that they can't listen. you know it's all, the funda is there, it's all about me. Their emotions, their health, their finances, everything about them. So they live on this funda that it's all about me. So you have to be very very cautious with these people because they are around us, and they take advantage of us, and we don't get to know because we are not experienced in this area. Even I was not experienced, and I read about it, and I realized, and I found the traits, and then I realized that okay, now this is the time to filter. So definitely you should filter these people from your life because they are very very uh, sabotaging. Next is that they always want something from you. It's always like a emotional support or financial support, or like they will always be self-centered and want something for them, and vice versa will never happen. These people, they will always want something from you. It can be emotional support, financial support, physical support, any kind of support. But when time comes, then when you need the same thing, they will definitely back out, and you will feel disappointed, and it has a huge bad impact on our mental health. So it is very very important that you should filter these people from our life. Next is that they will respect you only if you have power. If you have a powerful position, you have success, you have fame, then definitely they'll respect you. Otherwise they will treat you as if you don't exist. So this is the problem with fake people, that if somebody is gossiping with you about someone and criticizing someone in front of you, then definitely uh, they will do the same about you also with other people. That's what I believe, and I have seen this many times. They will talk to you about someone, and then definitely they'll talk about you to someone. That is very very common, and we should definitely refrain from these kind of people because they ruin your life. And and I have talked to so many of my friends and so many people who have this, they got this experience, that they were like, they trusted someone, and then so definitely when we are telling our secrets to someone, and when we are talking to them, we have to check whether the person is genuine or not, because it can be really really bad for you, if that thing is happening. Fake people have this habit of manipulating others, gossiping about people around, and criticizing them, and talking about one person to the other person, vice versa. So this creates our lives is based on the foundation of relationships, and when these fake people take advantage of us, then definitely we feel cheated, and we are not able to handle our emotions that time. So it's very very important that we take care of these things. And the solution for of dealing, I feel the solution of for dealing with these people is that we should have trustworthy friends. They can be less in number, but definitely they should be trustworthy, rather than sharing our emotions with everyone. And when these fake people are around, they take advantage of that, and definitely they can harm you. So these were the things I wanted to talk about, and I read some good books on this. That's why I wanted to share that, that summary with you. So definitely I'll share the name of the book also. If you want to read it, you can definitely read it. It's again related to emotional intelligence, which is very very important for our mental health. And these are the things, when we filter out negative people and these fake people from our life, then definitely we can lead a happy life. And I have felt it, it's my personal experience. When I filtered people who were fake with me, who were taking advantage of me, who were not uh, as emotional as for me as I was, definitely I found peace, and it definitely helps. So if you feel that it's time to take action, please take it, and live your life to the fullest, and enjoy your day. And if you like my video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to click the bell icon, because it will give you my regular video updates. Thank you so much. Take care. Ciao.